Hey folks, David Akins here. You know, I've worked a lot of jobs in my time, gotten my hands dirty with the best of them. Please click the subscribe button. And one thing I've learned from all those hard-working folks is the power of simple solutions. Ever wonder what your grandpa kept in the garage that could fix anything? I'm talking squeaky doors, rusty bolts, sticky zippers. Yep, you guessed it, good old WD-40. Today we're diving into 20 mind-blowing WD-40 hacks that Grandpa swears by, and you won't believe number 17. Let's get to it. We've all been there, that one door in the house that sounds like a banshee every time you open it. Drives you crazy, right? Well, Grandpa's got a solution for that, and it's probably sitting in your garage right now. Grab that can of WD-40, yeah, the one with the little red straw, and give those hinges a good spray. Work that door back and forth a few times and listen to that sweet, sweet silence. No more haunted house noises thanks to Grandpa and WD-40. Ever have that moment of panic when your favorite jacket zipper decides to call it quits? Don't you hate that? Before you go running for the sewing kit, Grandpa's got a trick up his sleeve. Grab that WD-40 again. Yep, the miracle can, and give those stubborn zipper teeth a light spritz. Don't drown the poor thing, just a little love tap. Now, gently work that zipper up and down and watch it glide like it's brand new. Crisis averted, thanks to Grandpa's wisdom. Kids gotta love them, but sometimes their artistic expressions end up on the walls instead of the paper. Am I right? Before you break out the harsh chemicals and start scrubbing, Grandpa's got a gentler solution. That's right, WD-40 to the rescue. Spray a little bit on a clean cloth. Gotta emphasize clean here, folks, and gently wipe those crayon masterpieces away. Presto, clean walls, happy parents, and no harsh fumes. Grandpa knows best. Chapter 4, Rusty Bolts not on Grandpa's watch. We've all been there trying to loosen a rusty bolt that feels like it's been welded in place. You're sweating, you're straining, you're about to give up and call a professional. But wait, Grandpa's voice echoes in your ear. Don't force it, son, spray it. He's talking about WD-40, of course. Give those rusty bolts a good dose, let it soak in for a few minutes, and then try again. You'll be amazed how easily they twist off. Grandpa 1, rusty bolt 0. Oops. Chapter 5, Stainless Steel Sparkle. Now let's head inside for this one. You know those fancy stainless steel cleaners they sell at the store? Overpriced, if you ask me. Grandpa's got a better solution, and it's probably already under your sink. Grab that WD-40, yep, the same can that fixes everything, and give your stainless steel appliances a new lease on life. Just spray a little on a clean cloth. Got to keep things clean, folks. And wipe down your fridge, your oven, your sink. Whatever needs a little shine, boom, mirror finish, no streaks, and you saved a few bucks. Thanks, Grandpa. Chapter 6, Snow Shoveling Made Easy. All right, folks, winter's coming, and you know what that means, snow, and lots of it. Before you head out to battle those drifts with your trusty shovel, Grandpa's got a tip to save your back. Coat that shovel blade with a layer of WD-40. That's right, the miracle spray works wonders on snow too. It creates a slick surface that prevents the snow from sticking, so you can shovel faster and easier. Your back will thank you later. Summertime, road trips, windows down, and splat! Bugs everywhere! It's like they have a sixth sense for a clean car. But fear not, road trippers. Grandpa's got a solution for that too. Before you hit the open road, give your car's grille and bumper a good once-over with WD-40. It creates a slippery barrier that those pesky bugs can't cling to. You'll arrive at your destination bug-free and smiling. Thanks, Grandpa. Let's face it, cleaning the bathroom is nobody's favourite chore, but Grandpa's got a few tricks up his sleeve to make it a little less painful. Got soap scum build up on your shower tiles? Don't reach for those harsh chemicals just yet. Grab that can of WD-40, yep, the blue and yellow wonder, and give those tiles a light spritz. Then grab a sponge, a clean one, mind you, and give them a good scrub. Rinse with warm water and voila, sparkling clean tiles without the harsh fumes. Grandpa's got your back and your bathroom. We've all been there, that sickening crunch as you step in a wad of discarded chewing gum, or worse, finding it stuck to the bottom of your shoe. Don't panic. Grandpa's got you covered. Grab that trusty can of WD-40. You know the drill, and give that gum a good spray. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then use a scraper or even an old credit card to lift it right off. No more sticky mess thanks to Grandpa's wisdom. Chapter 10. Silence. That squeaky fan. Is that ceiling fan driving you crazy with its incessant squeaking? You're trying to sleep, but it sounds like a chorus of crickets up there. Before you call an electrician, Grandpa's got a simple solution. Now this one requires a little caution, folks. With the fan turned off and unplugged, safety first, carefully spray a small amount of WD-40 into the motor housing. A little goes a long way here. Turn the fan back on and enjoy the sweet sound of silence. You're welcome. Chapter 11. Adhesive residue removal. Peeling a sticker off and left with that annoying sticky residue, you try scrubbing, you try scraping, but it's like it's permanently attached. Well, not anymore. Grandpa's got a secret weapon. You guessed it, WD-40. Spray a little on that stubborn residue, let it soak in for a few minutes, and then wipe it away with a clean cloth. No more sticky mess, just a clean, smooth surface. Grandpa's magic at work. Chapter 12. Shoe shine in a pinch. Ran out of shoe polish? Don't worry, Grandpa's got your back and your shoes. Grab that can of WD-40. Yep, the miracle worker, and give your leather shoes a light spritz. Then grab a clean cloth, you know the drill, and buff those shoes to a brilliant shine. Not only will they look great, but the WD-40 will also help repel water and stains. Two birds, one can... That's how Grandpa rolls. Chapter 13. After a long day of gardening, the last thing you want to do is spend hours cleaning and oiling your tools. But you know you have to, right? Well, Grandpa's got a tip to make it quick and easy. Before you store those tools away, give them a light coat of WD-40. It'll prevent rust and corrosion, so they'll be ready to go next spring. Thanks, Grandpa. Chapter 14. You know that one drawer that always sticks? The one you have to fight with every time you open it? Yeah, that one. Well, Grandpa's got a solution for that too. Spray a little WD-40 on the drawer tracks. A little goes a long way. And work the drawer back and forth a few times. It'll lubricate the tracks and make that drawer slide like new. No more struggling, thanks to Grandpa's wisdom. Chapter 15. Love watching birds, but hate it when squirrels raid your feeder? You're not alone, but Grandpa's got a trick to keep those pesky critters at bay. Spray a ring of WD-40 around the pole of your bird feeder. Squirrels can't stand the slippery surface and will quickly give up trying to climb it. Birds only, folks. Nothing's more frustrating than a pair of scissors that can't even cut through paper. Before you toss them out, try this Grandpa-approved hack. Spray a tiny bit of WD-40 on the blades, just a dab will do, and wipe them clean with a cloth. It'll remove any sticky residue and have those blades snipping smoothly again. This one might sound crazy, but trust me, it's a Grandpa-approved hack. Want to keep your canvas shoes dry in the rain? Give them a light coat of WD-40. It creates a water-resistant barrier that will make those raindrops bead right off. No more soggy shoes. Tired of scraping ice off your car windows every winter? Grandpa's got a solution for that too. Before a snowstorm, spray your car windows with WD-40. It creates a barrier that prevents snow and ice from sticking, making it a breeze to clear your windows in the morning. Winter weather can wreak havoc on your locks, causing them to freeze up and become unusable. But Grandpa's got a trick to prevent that. Spray a little WD-40 inside the lock and on the shackle to keep moisture out and prevent freezing. Your locks will thank you. Whether it's your bathroom fixtures or your motorcycle parts, chrome needs a little love to stay shiny. And you guessed it, Grandpa's got a hack for that too. Spray a little WD-40 on a clean cloth, always a clean cloth folks, and buff those chrome surfaces to a brilliant shine. They'll look brand new. Who knew one blue and yellow can could do all that? So next time something sticks, squeaks or rusts, you know what to reach for. Smash that like button if Grandpa taught you something today, and share this with someone who needs a little WD-40 wisdom in their life. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing tips and old-school tricks. Until next time, stay slick.